Hi friends, and welcome to Shop with Mimi. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here for a while, hello. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video is a Ross shoe section browse with me. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's just jump right into today's video. Hi friends, so I wanted to pop on here and address the henna on my hand. This weekend was my birthday and I had a trip to Vegas, and the one thing that I wanted to get was a henna tattoo on my hand. So I apologize if it's distracting. It is going to be there for a few weeks, so you will be seeing it in my upcoming videos. I hope it's not too distracting to look at, but let's just continue and look at all the different shoes at Ross. Well, friends, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite shoe find was, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.